Are you curious about nature's wildest secrets? Today we unveil the enigma of ball lightning. Ball lightning is one of the rarest and most mysterious phenomena in nature. Imagine a glowing orb in red, blue or white appearing out of nowhere during a thunderstorm. It can last from a few seconds to several minutes. What's even more mind-blowing? Ball lightning can move through walls and change shape, defying our understanding of physics. Scientists are still scratching their heads over how it forms and behaves. If you ever spot one, stay calm and keep a safe distance. It's unpredictable and can be dangerous. Intrigued by nature's mysteries? Hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more fascinating secrets of the natural world.